it turns out, I'm freaking lazy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Did you miss me? Well, I wasn't able to make a video last week because we had some squirrels attack. They attacked our power lines and destroyed our alarm system and our refrigerator. So that was a lot to deal with last week, but everything is restored. Alarm system's back. I ordered a brand new refrigerator, which I did not want to do, but I did it. So that's coming like in 3 weeks, which is crazy. But anyway, I'm back. I'm happy to be back. And oh, before I go on and get into the video, I just want to tell you guys about something that happened that was so amazing. I got an email from one of my subscribers who also has her own YouTube channel, and she wanted to know if I wanted some face masks because she makes them, like, for fun. So I was like, yes, absolutely, I would love that. Like, who doesn't need more face masks right now, right? So last week I got a package in the mail and she made me 10 face masks and they are gorgeous. I brought some of them up. Some of them are in my car, in my purse, because I've been using them and loving them. But anyway, I just wanted to show you some of them. It's like she knows me and my style. Look, neon pink, leopard with the neon strings. It was just such a sweet thing. Like, I really couldn't believe it. So I just want to say thank you, Emma. I love these. And that was just such a wonderful thing to do. Anyway, I just had to share that. Okay, now hold on. Before I go on, I've had some requests to bring outfit of the day back. So here it is. I am wearing this amazing foil top by Senka Set. I am wearing my favorite jeans ever. These are the J brand Natasha Sky High jeans, some J Crew pumps, which you can see if you want to see these, and all my gold shoes. I did a whole video on my gold shoe collection you can check out. And then some Sparkle Bomb jewelry and J Crew jewelry. Okay, so today's video is about jewelry organizing, and you may remember I've already done a video on jewelry organizing, but as it turns out, that wasn't really that great of a video. And here's what I mean. I had my little organizing idea and I wanted my closet to look like a jewelry store. And so that's how I set it up. And it was beautiful, but it was very high maintenance. And as it turns out, I'm freaking lazy, especially at the end of the day when all I want to do is get in bed. The last thing I want to do is like take my jewelry off and like remember to put it back on the hooks. That's why this one only has one earring on it. I just want to like take everything off, set it down, and go to bed. Yeah, so it didn't really work out all that well. Like, it looked pretty, but it really wasn't that functional. So I thought, I'm gonna figure something else out, and when I do, I'm gonna share it with you guys. So I think I have figured that thing out. And one of the reasons I figured it out is because I was watching another YouTuber. I think her channel's LUXMOMMY, but she has a gorgeous closet, and in the closet video, she opens one of her drawers, and I loved how she had everything organized. There were like these jewelry trays that looked custom, but then I found out they actually weren't. So I went, clicked on the link, took me to the Container Store, and I found these things called stackers, which are jewelry trays that you can put in drawers, or they can actually just stack on top of each other to form like a big jewelry box. So that was a very exciting find. So I went online and I ordered all the different configurations that they had. I think I got like 7 different ones, just to try them out, to see like what worked with my particular jewelry collection. And obviously I had to go with the supersize. They do make smaller ones, but all my jewelry's big, so that was not gonna work for me. So I did get the big ones, and so I wanna show you which ones I got. So the first one is actually this one, and it actually has a top on it because this is if you want this to be like a freestanding jewelry box. But yeah, it's got this little thing, and then you open it up, and then it's nice inside. It's like a velvet texture, and to be honest, like, I would like it if they were even bigger, but it's okay. It's the biggest thing I could find. And I thought that I measured everything, and I thought I would put some of them in one of the drawers back here, this drawer. So that's my plan. So I got this one, then I got this configuration, which I thought would be good for like big earrings, maybe. This one I thought would be good for necklaces. And this one I thought I would probably be really good for like the really big stuff that couldn't even fit into one of the little dividers. It's just like an open box with, you know, the lining. And then I got this one, which I thought would be good for like my rings, and then, you know, earrings, little necklaces, the few that I have. This one is a smaller one, but they all like work together and they can all stack on top of each other. And this one's meant for sunglasses, but I was actually using it for some of my big necklaces. And I think I actually might order another one of these for my sunglasses because I really like it. And then lastly, I ordered this one, but it still has the plastic on it because I don't think I'm going to keep it. It's like a lot of really, really small sections, and I don't wear small jewelry. I have one pair of pearl earrings, but even then they're like big pearls. So yeah, so this might be the only one I send back. Oh, and then as far as pricing goes, I think they ranged from, I think the sunglasses one was like $28, and then they went up to like $40. The one with the lid I think was $40. So I think I spent maybe like $250 on these. And the goal is at the end of the day, I open the drawer and I take everything off and set it in its little spot, which doesn't take a lot of effort, and then be done with it. Instead of like taking it off, okay, now I gotta put it onto the little earring stand. Okay, now I gotta perfectly place the necklace over, you know, this necklace stand. Yeah, it just wasn't working for me. So maybe there are people who are more disciplined out there. In fact, I know there are, because there are people who like exercise and eat well. So I'm not one of those people either, unfortunately. But with the jewelry thing, I've just accepted like, okay, I'm just lazy. So that ain't happening. So hopefully this system might be a good fit for you too, if you're lazy like me. So the plan is to use this drawer, which currently just has some random stuff in it, to use this as my jewelry drawer. Okay, I'm gonna get all this stuff out of here and get my drawer ready. Okay, so I start with the deep open tray to put some big necklaces. Then next to that, I put the 3-section classic tray, which is smaller, so for my big J. Crew necklaces. And then on top of that, I stacked the all-in-one. So there's one of my watches, a couple Sparkle Bomb necklaces, my gold F, that gold chain I've been wearing all the time. You guys always see me with my dollar sign earrings, a bunch of more Sparkle Bomb rings, and other kind of different rings. There's a rainbow necklace from Sparkle Bomb. Okay, so here it is. It is so much easier to put my jewelry away at the end of the night now. And you can see then I just lift this top one up, and underneath I have my bigger necklaces, and then it just slides right back into place. And I was actually able to bring my bracelet bar down, and that fit perfectly. And then I've got the 3-section smaller one. So for the 11 section and the 7 section, for the purposes of the video, I just went ahead and put everything in them where they were in the drawer, but they're not actually going in the drawer. They are going to go up on the shelf next to the drawer. But you can see how many big chunky necklaces fit in these. So that was perfect. So I got the 2 and then I stack them on top of each other. And then I ended up putting them on the side in my closet on the side shelf. And it just makes it really easy to access them. I can see everything. And I just take one layer off and there's the bottom layer. And I think I'm going to actually get 2 more of these to go on the other side, the other shelf. So yeah, it just makes it really easy and convenient. Okay guys, I've been using my new system now for a couple of days and I love it. It is so much easier. Plus I just feel like, oh, whenever I open this drawer because it's so organized and it looks so pretty. So I'm loving it. Okay, a couple of things. I decided to not keep the top with the lid on it. So I'm sending that one back because the sections were just too small and I realized I didn't really need it because I just want like the open ones. That way it's like easier to access. So I am actually gonna order 2 more, like I said, of the one of the 11 section, one of the 7 section, and that's gonna go on the other side. So I've got this stack here, and then I'm gonna put the other stack on this side of the closet. So I'm super pumped to do that. And PS, right now, all these stackers are on sale, 25% off on the Container Store. So I'm gonna go on right after I finish filming this, and I'm gonna buy my pieces. So that's exciting news. Yeah, I just wanted to say too, because I get a lot of questions about my jewelry. I am a jewelry designer, so my company is called Sparkle Bomb. And if you see anything that you really like and it's not on my website, always like reach out to me because there are a lot of things that I wear and that I sell that I don't actually even have on the website yet. Again, because I'm lazy. So anyway, hopefully you guys got some inspiration and maybe this will help you get your jewelry situation organized. I know I'm very excited about this. So I will see you guys next week. Bye.